Hi there, finally came Babymaker electronic bicycle. I ordered it back in June of 2020 when my electric bicycle had been dying. I'd had it already for 8 years. It weighed about 80 pounds. So I was really looking for a lightweight stealth electric bicycle that was gorgeous. And here it is, 14 months later, got here. Came in beautiful packaging, I believe. So let's get to putting it together. So this thing was designed in San Diego, made in China, and came across in a slow boat from China. So supposedly it comes with all the tools you need to assemble it, but it doesn't come with all the tools you need to open the box. So here we go. We are unboxed. Everything's still zip tied up. So we have our handy snips. We're gonna keep the seat and the contents of the other boxes and just start getting rid of all the packaging. And again, try to make sure to not snip anything that's important, like these wires. Let's go for it. They definitely packaged this thing well. It is completely covered. Everything that could have been hurt is in good shape. Now's a good time to plug it in so we can start charging the battery for when it's ready, and then maybe clean up a little bit. Okay. All right, let's get these. Nice. Box A. This is a charger. Let's go charge it. Okay, we got to charge it and we'll start using that right away. Let's see what's in the rest of this box A. Looks like everything you need. Reflectors, pedals, all the tools you need. Wrench and hex nets, hex wrench, zip ties, both pedals, good to go. Let's get some juice going. Supposedly it takes 2 hours to charge. There might be already something in there. So here's the charger. Plug it in to here, and then at some point, looks like there's a flat side and a round side, so it goes in one way. Red means it's not fully charged, but let's hope it will be by the time we finish putting this thing together. Some of the other things we pulled out of the packaging was the handlebars. And the seat remains to be undone. Looks like we got everything out of the package. We've got everything set up to go. And now we've got this, and these are the instructions. And when all else fails, I'll read the instructions. Let's go to the handlebars first. So I decided to start with the handlebars because it's pretty sturdy on the frame. I put a mat down in case I dropped anything that I needed. I would not want to lose these screws. One of the included hex wrenches fits right in. Woohoo. All right, here we go. So we removed all 4 of those hex nuts. Now we're ready to put the handlebars on. Looks like it's pretty obvious. There's a little bit of a area here that's right in the center, kind of ready to be inserted right into here. Could do it any way I want. I think I want them to look a little bit like this. One of the benefits of doing it yourself is you can change it up if you change your mind sometime. So I think we tighten the handlebars right in the center, maybe in the position I'm going to like it. Next would be to add some doodads to the handlebars. We've got a brake on either side and a little mini LED thingy. So I'm going to start with the left brake because there's only one of those, and I'll figure out how to do it. Luckily, it comes with a Torx. And loosen it. And find the right place for it. Maybe something like that.
Yeah.
So we turned on the LCD display to see which way is up. Looks like it's got to go on like this. Unscrewed the nut, open up, and put on. Start it loose maybe, and then adjust the angles for how it's going to be best.
I'm gonna dash on this, restart something.
Well, we use the fork of the bar to help put the handlebars on, and the brakes and the LCD display. I think we got everything in order there. Now let's see if we can put the front wheel on. I went ahead and put the kickstand up, so that'll help support it. And then the wheel. You got an option of putting the disc on the right side or the left side. And because the brake's on the left side, this is the way to do it. I'm going to put it on like that. This is the last piece of packaging which we need to remove. This is easy to unscrew, maybe. So we're trying to get the front wheel in position, and the brake has to go around this disc. There's one more piece of packaging to remove, this yellow thing. And once that's out of the way, it'll slip right on, just like that. Once it slips right in, I'm gonna put this bar right through. With a little shimmying, that went all the way through. I think we're on a roll here. To be on a roll, we need to put the pedals on. We got two. They're labeled. One's on the right, one's on the left. And right here it says R, so this must be the right pedal. Right here, this says left. And left pedals don't tighten to the right, they tighten to the left. So we're just gonna tighten this on. And use the wrench that came to tighten it. That way when you're pedaling, it keeps getting tighter and tighter. Good to go. Do the same with the right. Next, take off this piece of packaging and get ready to insert the stem for the seat. I'm thinking this might be good. Of course, we can adjust that. A little tighter. A little tighter. Too tight. That's about right. And we're ready for a spin. Safety first, we're going to attach a bell and some reflectors. And again, all parts included. This hex wrench has a Phillips. Let's just attach that to the left side so that we can ring the bell if we need to tell somebody we're coming. Easy enough. Fast forward. Woo! It's on power level 2 and I can't even pedal it without going too fast.
Hey guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos. Thank you.